Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money to someone on Wise. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Wise application on your device and log into your account if you haven't done so already using your credentials or your biometrics. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into your homepage from which if you wish to send money, you can tap on the send money option at the top. Once you tap on this, you will be asked to enter the amount that you wish to send. You can also choose your payment method underneath the paying with option. Tap on the change button and then choose your preferred method. After choosing your method and entering your desired amount, you will see how much the recipient will receive. Tap on the continue button and you will be asked to search for the user by using their Wise tag, their email address or your phone. You can also tap on the find friends option to choose from your friend list. You will also see the add button at the top section which will allow you to directly enter bank details in order to send your funds. Once you choose from either one of these options, choose who you wish to send the fund to. And now you will be able to enter the details of the recipient. Choose the bank detail from ACH, Wire or Swift. You can then enter the name of the account holder followed by the routing number or the Swift code. Finally, you will need to enter the account number within the account number or the IBAN section, and after entering all of these credentials, click on the confirm button. After clicking on confirm, you will be able to verify your payment method and proceed forward with your PIN in order to finalize your transaction. Once your transaction has been finalized, the amount will be received by the recipient within the mentioned date. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to send money using Wise app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.